What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So the question is that yes. What is the question? So the question is that why cybersecurity degree is a scam? Come on, give me some hate. Come on, give me some hate. I'm gonna see a lot of new big cry in the comment section. Jimmy Geek, you don't know anything. Cybersecurity is the best degree. I'm not talking about cybersecurity. I'm talking about cybersecurity degree. Number one, I wanna say something. Cybersecurity field is absolutely a must. There's a lot of jobs in cybersecurity. The job security is quite high. But to become a cybersecurity expert or a penetration tester or whatever the name you wanna call it, you need solid 5 to 10 year experience dealing with programming, networking. Two route I recommend. Get a computer science degree, work in real world for 5 years at least, and get some professional cybersecurity certification. Or especially, the major degree I recommend is become a network engineer, work for 5 years, and then get a cybersecurity certification. What is cybersecurity? What is hacking? What is ethical hacking? It's 90%. Okay, it's not 90%. Just forget about the social element, social engineer. If you don't social engineer, is that I call someone, I just fake it and then take the information and then try to log into server. I'm just talking about pure hardware, excluding the social engineer expert. 90% is like networking. You need to understand IPv6, you need to understand routing, you need to understand which packet is coming and which packet is going. You need to use Sharknet, that kind of stuff. So you need some solid computer science and network knowledge. But the problem is that a lot of newbie wanna say, yo man, I'm cool, I'm a hacker, I'm gonna hack you. The problem is that they go and get a stupid, worthless cybersecurity degree. Real network engineering degree is hard, absolutely hard. I was studying for my Cisco certification. I never sit for the exam because I was never ready. It's brutal hard. Real computer science is brutal hard. Becoming a doctor is easy. Learning computer science is hard. But this for-profit university or even some public university started offering like crappy cybersecurity degree. If you talk for real world, people say, why you even need a cybersecurity degree? We need someone from computer science or network background with some IT certification, solid experience. Buy an ARA. That's why it's a scam. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box below. Check out the affiliate link in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.